Good morning. God bless you. Thank you for joining me here at Soul Raymond Ministries in our Homegrown Series, sponsored by the Household of Faith. I'm just going to give you an overview of my back patio and container garden. We're not going to go into a lot of detail about it, but we are going to uh, be sharing some videos with you based on the individual plants and the types of plants. Okay, this is what I call the north wall, and there's tomato plants, eggplant, lavender, uh, assorted basil, rosemary, thyme, Mexican oregano. There's a plethora of plants there. Okay, now here, this is some of the zucchini and larger containers that I have. Okay, um, orange tree, three newly transplanted and British foliage, rose bush, lemon mint, and this is my 4-in-1 apple tree that I got from Lowe's last year. No, 2 years ago. Three, about 3 years ago. Okay, this here is my Granny Smith apple tree. Rainbow Swiss chard that I started in my indoor hydroponics. Okay, down here is a Meyer lemon tree, fern, nectarine, key lime. This monster is my biggest sweet basil. She's a beauty. She started God knows how many. Okay, these are the brascias down on this side. Cucumber, vine, lots of celery. Tomatillo. This plant, I don't know. I just don't know. And this is a blackberry, Mexican oregano, nectarine tree. Now you're going to see beans a lot. I found that beans, some more tomato plants, the other, well, we'll get to that when we go around that time. This whole bin right here is nothing but sweet potato. Okay? I'm training the vines to grow up, and this is my green Malabar spinach, which I broke. Oh man, I broke it off by accident because I was trying to get it to move. I'm gonna put it in some water. Beans. Beans help provide shade, and they also release nitrogen into the soil. This is a pool, one of those smaller pools, not the smallest pools that Walmart sells. Olive tree, another tomato plant, and a rose bush mixed in there together. Okay? Different kinds of vines, cucumber, Korean melon. I forgot all the stuff I put in there. There is the sweet basil there, echinacea or purple coneflowers. This one has winter squash, acorn, butternut, and so forth. This thing is weird. If I, most of the ones I try to train to grow up, they'll die out. Uh, Basil, lemon, sorry, lemon, lemon balm. We're by the air conditioner now. This is the other eggplant. The other side of the sweet potato vine, the Malabar spinach growing up. There's a lot to see. More marigold, green peppers. Other side with the rose bush. Okay? Now, the last section is this. This is what I call the west wall. And I got some painting that's marginal, that's not variegated, weeping fig, Benjamin, artificial Jamaica, Colcasia, the elephant ears. There's a bird of paradise back in there as well. The regular Ficus Benjamin, weeping fig. This is creeping Jenny or money wart. Rubber tree, Ficus Elastica, banana, more creeping Jenny. Um, this is a sacred datura, which is dropping me some pods. I'm excited to see them. Okay, this wall is, like I said, this is my tropical wall, and I get out here pretty much every day. These two, this one here is a Plumeria. It produces those beautiful flowers that go on the Hawaiian lace. This is my first year that it has actually flowered. Only this is my second year having it too. And I'm seeing these up here, and they're going to be more flowers. Okay. Beautiful. This is my nice blooming jasmine. It gets little flowers on it and it blooms. In here, there's 4 o'clock in the back. This is what's on the windowsill. Yarrow, Mexican oregano, zinnias, high basil, more beans. So, another rose bush that I got at a plant swamp. I'm not sure what kind it is. More pepper. So, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff growing. Plants, flowers, vegetables, fruit trees. All right? So, don't be afraid to try. As you went around, you could see different kinds of pots and things like that, containers. Yeah. Don't be afraid to grow what you love. Have fun with it also. Now, this is in the back patio. This is the monster pecan tree that definitely needs a whole lot of work on it because it keeps dropping leaves on me. Look at that sky. Isn't it just beautiful? So what I wanted to tell you is be encouraged. Here at Soul Raymond Ministries, we are committed to the whole man. We're committed to everything in life because God sees everything that we do. He knows our hearts, yes. He knows what motivates us, yes. He knows what we intend, yes. God never intended for us to eat food that was filled with preservatives. I'm not telling you to stop buying and to get off the grid. I'm not telling you anything like that. But what I am telling you is that while you have a chance now to learn, to start, give it all you got. Subscribe to our channel. Check out our Facebook group, In Time Urban Gardening Advice and Tips. I will put a link in the description of the video. God bless you, and we hope to see you next time.